Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to step 4 of the 4-step series on how to start your short-term rental. In this video, I'll discuss the furnishing process and the listing process that goes along with having a successful short-term rental listing. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for staying tuned for this series. I know it's been super boring. It's been me sitting in front of a computer and just nothing has happened except for me spitting out boring facts. So before I start this video, I'm going to share with you a little piece of Hong Kong, and I hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy what I put together for you guys. What is going on, guys? My name is Robert. Today we're getting right to the point. You want to make sure you have good furniture. You want to make sure you have a good looking listing inside and out. So my best piece of advice is giving yourself like a 2-week deadline so that you can get in there and get everything done in 2 weeks. The reason you don't want to go to 3 weeks or 4 weeks for that matter, the second you're able to enter the property as a tenant, you are now paying for the property on a night-to-night basis. So you're going to lose money in the first 2 weeks if you don't get that thing listed. Maybe it could take you a week to get it listed. Maybe it could take you 2 weeks. It took me 2 weeks. So the faster that you get in there and get it listed, the better it is going to be for your bank account, because every single day that's not on the market, every single day that's not on the home sharing website, you're losing money. So in this 2-week time frame, and I'm saying 2 weeks because that's the time frame that worked for me. So in this 2-week time frame that you set yourself to get everything done, the first thing you want to do is furnish the property. You want to make sure you have everything ready before you list it. And you don't want to rush the process and list it before you have everything in place, because that can lead to a bad review right off the bat. So find furniture for cheap on Facebook Market, on Craigslist, on OfferUp. There's many different places where you can find quality used furniture. And I recommend this for beginners unless you have the money and you want to just go all out and buy brand new furniture. You know, that's up to you. But for beginners, for someone who's just getting started, I advise finding quality used furniture for cheap. And you can find all kinds of good stuff on these websites. I know that I remember it took me 2 weeks because I would go and I would look for this certain thing and it wouldn't pop up, but then all of a sudden one day it was there and I would pick it up for really cheap. For example, like a bed frame or a mattress or something along the lines that, you know, that I needed for the property, but I was just waiting for the right one. And that's kind of why it took me so long. You guys can also just go buy brand new stuff if you want, you know, nobody's stopping you, just go ahead. That's just a little bit more money up front. I'm going with the lowest startup cost just because more people like spending less money to start something like this, especially when they don't know if it's gonna work or not. Find all the furniture you need, and you're gonna need to fully furnish this property as if you were going to live in it. And you guys can just imagine there's a huge list of amenities, a huge list of things that you have to consider as far as getting everything ready. You will want to build an amenities checklist that will get you to superhost status as quickly as possible. This is a long process and there's a lot of things that you have to consider as far as what you need in your property. Airbnb can help you with that. They can prompt you through what is recommended and, you know, all that. But that is the last thing you have to do. After you furnish it, just make sure you have everything in place and then you're ready to list it. So once you've done everything from step 1 all the way to step 4, you're able to list your property and maximize on your potential gains. Well guys, this has been fun. I enjoy recording these videos for you guys and I enjoy sharing this information with you guys. This is all from my own experience. This is also that I have done myself and it's working for me. And I think it's a very easily duplicatable business model. Any of you guys can go out there and start doing this today. You guys can start from step 1 and move forward. Obviously, there's little specific details that I didn't mention, but if you guys are curious and you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will be more than happy to answer them for you. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to leave a like on this video, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification most of you guys will know when I upload the rest of my videos. I will be in Bali from here on out, so the next video you guys will probably see will be me in a villa somewhere just chilling hard. Thank you guys once again, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.